What if I told you right now there are two types of people in the world? Those who are using AI and winning, and those who are ignoring it and slowly becoming irrelevant.
Emotional fanatics zrobimy smear. Ale
Here's the scary part. AI is not replacing jobs. People who know how to use it are. And if you're a complete beginner, then this video might be the most important video you watch this year.
Statistiky pêcherai playami, mas tive med matcher
Uniceles mem urkamin, erinhen, kvol emerisi.
So what is AI? Let me simplify it a bit. AI is not a robot taking over the world. It is a very powerful tool that can think, create, design, and even code.
By exactly en afdeling var en omtørrende ting. Fetan.
The silver tarzalet intained.
Our hands are the gear of to say. The wolf for this.
Today, the CGI leads at one salabatis more practice these demon ed.
Den stranges is up he den clusterntje it's do 3 has to flying in vain.
Now imagine having a super intelligent assistant that works 24/7, complains of nothing, and learns everything almost instantly. Now that's AI. But the most common mistake beginners are making is that they treat AI like Google. So they ask basic questions and get basic results. So if you want powerful results, you really need to think differently. Now let me explain to you the mistakes that the beginners are making. They ask AI, write a script on motivation. The result is generic, boring, and useless. Instead, you should be asking, hey AI, act like a top YouTube creator. Write high retention scripts with emotional hooks and storytelling. Now suddenly, AI becomes powerful. So the difference is not AI, but how you use it.
from ten pisaro. Shamish offices the Pasafinostan.
Olha, buona, boa, piaggio.
Tate. We get to slam it. That's for my intention. My manners. Check is better, hitting the major theater. It's baiting, Bill man, forcing it. I just step up.
Now here I'm going to actually teach you how to use AI. I'm going to give you a beginner framework that almost no one teaches you. Step 1, be specific. Use a good prompt. Like for example, explaining AI to a 15-year-old using simple examples under 100 words. Clarity equals to power. Step 2, give AI a role. Now AI works best when it has an identity. For example, act as a YouTube expert, act as a business role model, act as a fitness trainer. Now these are examples. So now what you are doing, you are not only asking AI, you are directing it. Step 3, add constraints. Now, constraints make good output. For example, make it under 200 words. Use storytelling, make it emotional. Now, what you are doing, you are forcing AI to think more accurately. And number 4 is iterate like a pro. Now, your first results may not be perfect, and that is fine. But you can always refine it. So, you can use AI to simplify it, make it more engaging, and that's how you level up. Now, let's make it more practical. You can use AI to create content. You can use AI to add new business ideas. You can use AI to automate boring works. Now, the works that takes 5 hours can be done in half an hour. That's the power of AI. Now, the future belongs to the people who knows how to use AI, not because they are smart, but because they started at the right time. They adapted the quickest. Now, here's what nobody is telling you about AI. In the future, now using AI will be like using a smartphone, basic but necessary. So the people who will go ahead in future will be the ones who act at the right time. So the future belongs to the people who adapt the quickest.
Twice only risky goal is to get understand door. Since I've left the test message, stop me down.
So if you're serious about learning AI, don't just watch videos, start using it, start experimenting it, start failing, because the gap between you and the people who are successful in AI is just action. So if you really want to stay ahead, this is just the beginning. So subscribe guys, because in my next video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to master AI. So comment AI if you're starting today, and I will send you a free prompt that will change how you use AI forever. So guys, take care, God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.